My name is Bob Woodek. I'm the Director of Channel Development for AMX, and today at the Almo Show we've got some exciting products to show you today. We're first going to start off with our digital signage product, which you may have seen before. This is in the green AV world. This is a phenomenal product in that instead of the 150 watts that a typical PC player would run, this is a unique specific signage device that only runs on 2 watts of power. That means, and it can also control the display that it's attaching to, so the energy savings and the green impact of a product like this is phenomenal. Our core mission, though, at Almo is to be able to help integrators attach to the rooms that they're incorporating products like video conferencing in. And what we're going to show you here today is the solution that we have with the DVX. And this is the key element to be able to effectively attach to the hundreds and thousands of video conferencing systems that are being installed every month. What we have here is basically an integrated controller, switcher, and audio management system that replaces the traditional 8-foot AV rack. Between a controller that can talk to an IR, relays, and as well as IP stuff, to the switchers where we can bring in 6 different inputs, send them to 2 outputs, either over regular cable or Cat5, to microphone management systems with built-in equalizers. This box basically creates the platform that we can then attach a touch panel, and if you recognize this touch panel, it happens to be the same one that sits in the White House Situation Room. But what's unique about this touch panel for the Almo customer is that instead of having to write custom program to enable it to talk to a video conferencing system, we actually have it already programmed, so where all you need to do is configure it using a software called Meeting Room. For example, in this interface, I could just simply change my inputs to DVD, and you can see going through the DVX, it switches to the DVD player. I could also just push a button, switch it to the signage player, and switch the sign. And through the touch panel in the Innova DVX, I could control lighting systems, video conferencing systems, cameras, projector lifts, all kinds of different devices over all kinds of interfaces. We want to take a step up from that. The next product that we would step to is when we look at copy-protected content, where we're sending product that is content that is copy-protected and digital. We've got the Innova 3150 that uses both standardized Cat5 over 10 base T as well as HDMI. This has got an integrated NetLinks controller, a more sophisticated audio system where I can take HDMI content out of here and pipe it to a different audio system. And in order to be able to use Cat5, I'm using standard 10 base T content that enables me to send copy-protected content not over a proprietary cable that can be only used with one brand or one device, but over standard Cat5 cable that it can be used, repurposed for any device in the future and any brand in the future as you want to upgrade equipment over time. So the NetLinks 3150 Innova DVX is very exciting. It also is hyper green in that it has a sleep mode. So when you're not using your video conferencing system, it will actually go to sleep and shut down and reduce the power consumption of not only itself, but of all the other devices on the network. In the realm of copy protection content, one of the issues that we've seen is the AV dealer has been in a quandary. If I wanted to go with industry standard cable, I could do that over analog, but I could never really do it over digital. And AMX announced at Infocom the DGX series of switchers. This is a digital media switcher that can bring in copy protected content over HDMI, over Cat5, or over DVI content. And this switcher is very unique in that it uses only standard Cat5 cable. There are no proprietary cables that you can put into here, and it will output them only over standard Cat5 cables or your traditional standard HDMI or DVI cables. This is very unique and it makes it very IT friendly. So when you're looking at distributing signals either in an education environment or in a bar and restaurant, again, you have flexibility in that you can put in standardized structured wiring without having to worry about whether or not the next generation will support your needs and you'll have to start from scratch. So we're here at the Almo Show showing these to the dealers. We're very excited about these products and feel that this will be a significant revenue contribution to those dealers that adopt these products in 2011 and 2012. Thank you very much.